My name is Jared Lawrence. I'm a field engineer and I've been with Driscoll since 2016. I nominated Mike for this award because he is a man of very strong character, upright morals, and him and I clicked as soon as he and I met, because you could tell by his level of ethics and values that he was just an upright person. And when I heard about his charity, A Lift for a Vet, I was inspired by that, and he sort of looked at it as if it was not as big of a deal as it really is. When I wanted to nominate him for it, and even told him afterwards that that he had won an award for it, he couldn't believe it. And I said, "Well, Mike, this is a really big deal. I mean, this is an awesome thing that you're doing, and I think it needs to be recognized." But he's just a very humble, spirited guy.
My name is Michael Walsh. My role with LF Driscoll is vertical transportation. I'm an engineering specialist, and I've been with Driscoll for just over a year now. Lift for a Vet started as actually kind of a fluke. In 2009, I was working with Homes for Our Troops, and there was a bunch of elevator guys that we were putting wheelchair lifts in, stair chairs, things like that for disabled veterans through Homes for Our Troops. But then Homes for Our Troops went to a rancher style home, and they literally said they didn't need our help anymore. So I thought, man, there's still a lot of veterans that needed our help. So I approached the International Union of Elevator Constructors in Philadelphia, and together we started the charity A Lift for a Vet. And it really started as a local New Jersey based charity, but primarily because we were afraid we'd have too much demand and we wouldn't be able to supply the equipment in the beginning. The first year we did 6 projects. Last year, they did over 125 projects. So the charity's grown exponentially since that time. That's what's been amazing. A Lift for a Vet today has expanded to a nationwide organization through the elevator constructors, to where when there's a veteran in need, the local, whatever city or state it's in, they volunteer the labor and we provide the equipment. So it's a great arrangement. And integrity to me means saying what you do and doing what you say. And it doesn't get any simpler than that. That's what we carry through life, is our word and our bond